student will light a candle with a promise to spread the flame of knowledge across the world. We are sure that the holistic education and sustainable values that the school has instilled in the students will help them in every step they take towards their future goals. Education is like a soccer game. It needs all its players: parent, teacher, community, and student. At the end of the day, the most overwhelming key to a child's success is the positive involvement of parents. Parent involvement in education is like the frosting on a cupcake. It makes it complete and oh so sweet. May we have a round of applause for all the parents. We commence the ceremony by offering a floral tribute to Goddess Saraswati. I request the dignitaries to come forward and do the honors. We thank everyone. I now request our principal, Mr. Surinder P. Sachdeva, to address the students and the gathering.
Good evening, dear Dipsites. You are the inspiration that has defined DPS Bhopal. You are the passion that fueled our dreams to provide you with excellence in education. You are the faith that made this journey possible for DPS Bhopal. You are the spirit that every time led us to the perfection. You are the determination that made us inimitable. In short, you are the soul of DPS. Good evening to one and all present here today. First of all, let me congratulate you all on the eve of 17th Republic Day of our nation. I salute our nation, India, and very respectfully I welcome Mr. Julius Christian, Director, Mr. Amit Periwal, CFO, Ms. Meghashri Haldar, Academy Director, Mr. Darak, Parents Representative, Vice Principal, Ms. Deepti Malhotra, in charge, Ms. Uma, other in charges, Academy Coordinator, DCs, and my dear teacher, and very, very special today, my dear parents. Dear parents, this is a momentous occasion for all of us. Let me take you to the trip down the memory lane with few nostalgic moments. I request all the parents, please close your eyes for a minute. All of you. And dear students, close your eyes for a minute and just listen to me. I am taking you back 14 years ago, just 14 short years ago, you entered into kindergarten in your very first school uniform with a brand new lunchbox in tow. It had been so carefully prepared by your parents. Dear parents, please close your eyes and think what happened 14 years ago when you are packing first lunchbox, when you are tying the tie of your child, the first uniform, and you pack the lunchbox with very, very nutritious, meticulously wrapped food to nurture the health and well-being of these young kids. Maybe few treats as well. Maybe, I assume, the separation anxiety, not of the students, but of parents. Dear parents, they trusted your teachers, slowly releasing you from their hand to a place of independence and self-determination. That is your school, DPS Bhopal. Now open your eyes. Did I take you back 14 years ago? Tiny, small steps. And probably one of the father like me who was, I would say, very, very stupid, when I admitted my daughter to a small school named Beautiful Beginning. And first time, when that school van came to pick my daughter, and I followed that car. I followed that van to the school just to see, is my child safe? This is what a father can be. We can do many such stupid things. And I don't mind being stupid because we love you. Like me, there are many parents who have done many such activities, dear students. Recall, remember, each and every moment which you find unreasonable is full of love and affection. What else I remember? I do not know. You may have many memories. I too have many memories. Today, probably it's very difficult to wear many hats as a father, as a teacher, as a principal. 14 years ago, you walk into the campus, and now 14 years on, you are about to walk through our gates for the last time. Albert Einstein said, there are only two ways to live your life. One is thinking nothing is miracle, and second is thinking everything is miracle. So you have to choose one carefully to step ahead to lead your life. None is wrong. If you think everything is miracle, then I have some advice for you. And if you think nothing is miracle, then don't just have a career or academic goals. Rather, set goals to give you a balanced, successful life. Balance means ensuring your health, relationship, mental peace, all in good order. There is no point of getting a promotion on a day of your breakup. There is no fun in driving a car if your back is hurt. Do not take life so seriously. Life is not meant to be taken so seriously. As we all are really temporary here. We are like prepaid mobile card with limited validity. If we are lucky, we may last another 50 years or maybe a couple of more, and that makes 2,500 weeks. Bunk few classes, last another 50 years or maybe a couple of more. Take leave from work, fall in love, fight a little with your colleagues. It's all okay. Enjoy life as it comes, because this life will never come back to you. So enjoy working fearlessly to enjoy life. The great Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu said about the life, fearlessly to enjoy life. You are living in the past. The great Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu, you are living in the future. And if you are in peace, you are living in the present. Exactly the same Lord Krishna said. In Bhagavad Gita, it has been said, Vidaham samatit nani vartman ani cha Arjun bhashyani cha bhut ani mam tu veda na Christian. The meaning of this is, there is no past, there is no future. Past has gone by, future we have not seen. You live in present, so enjoy your life. It says everything is pre-written. As I said in the beginning, Einstein is saying that everything is miracle. So if everything is miracle, so everything is pre-written. But I can tell you, with prayers, whatever is pre-written can be rewritten, rewrite. So believe in you. If you feel life is miracle, enjoy this miraculous life. Life does not always introduce you to the people you want to meet. Sometimes life puts you in touch with people you need to meet to help you, to hurt you, to guide you, to leave you, to love you, and to gradually strengthen you into the person you are meant to be. So do not worry much about life, because life is like roller coaster. It has its ups and downs and speed. Now it's your choice to scream, to be scared, or to enjoy the ride. This was the first thought, which was life is miracle. Now let us talk about nothing is miraculous. Like our science students, they know if you feel nothing is miraculous, let me share with you my idea. Make your unique idea your currency. Money will follow you. Don't make money, but earn money. Any new idea will be first condemned and then followed. So do not run away from your ideas. Align your life to purpose and to your goal. You will get success. There is no substitute to hard work. Aim for the best. Pursue excellence and success will chase you. Courage is the greatest attitude of a leader. Imagination are the major entrepreneur and the entrepreneur. Problems are not stop signs, they are guidelines. So eat them with your breakfast and move on. Work towards your success. Become a dreamer and try to realize your dreams. Dream high, because there are no small and medium dreams. Chase your dreams with your meticulous planning, perseverance and passion. Today, you will again carry out a lunch box. Remember, 14 years ago, you came to school with a lunch box. Today, I am going to send you out again with a lunch box. Worthy of our attention. This lunch box is different. Please listen to me carefully. We need to ensure that your nourishment as a human being is just well catered for, sustaining you into a future of challenge and promises. Kitchen of DPS Bhopal, clinging film, wrapping paper at ready, determined to be assured that your entry into the world beyond well provisioned as the first day of your school 14 years ago. Well-being takes priority. So we would wrap up a good portion of spiritual, emotional and physical health and capacity to cope and thrive. There would be a good sized parcel and the train noise. So in your lunch box, there would be a good sized parcel of lifelong love of learning. Sprinkles of some aspirational goals for you to achieve fairly and quickly. We would pack you a healthy serve of integrity, respect for self, and the defense of all you believe. Integrity, by its very nature, implies consistency. It means being sound, faithful, truthful, through and through, as it demands courage. Rudyard Kipling, he wrote in 1895, just to dedicate to a military man who was away from his family, he wrote one beautiful poem. It's a big poem. I am going to read only few lines. There was one advice to the child from the parent. It says, if you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, if you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings, nor lose a common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you but none too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minutes with 60 seconds worth of distance run, youth is the earth and everything that in it and which is more, on that particular day you will be a man, my son, and you will be a lady, my daughter. Dear friends, school gates, last time, may those grown-up lunch boxes be filled to the brim with all the values and qualities with integrity embodies. Be grateful for what you have, share it with all, and continue to replenish it with wholesome nourishment. And just before the lid closes for the final time tonight, let me gently place on top unconditional love from me and from your teacher. Why your teachers? When your parents were spoiling you, when they were packing unhealthy lunch boxes also, your teachers made you to feel, made you grounded, right? Today again, all your teachers, those who are around me, thank you so very much for making these kids the way they are today. I love you all. Let me say it, which I say every year, once more time, once a dipsite. Thank you so very much. God bless you. Thank you, dear parents.
Thank you, sir. May we request you to remain on stage so we may commence the ceremony. Indeed, our students are the soul of the school and they leave behind indelible memories. I now call Ms. Krishna Mukherjee to commence the ceremony with class 12A.
Thank you, Iram. The most awaited moment. Yes, now it is time we acknowledge the talent of our brimming students. Our students will now be receiving their prize citation certificate, a symbol of accomplishment. May I request Principal Sir and the class teacher, together with all present here, to congratulate our graduates as they step forward to receive their honor. Ritika Dhal, the recipient of 6 Kushagra Awards, Ritika aspires to become a software engineer. Jay Panchal, winning 2 Prabudh Awards for his exemplary performance, Jay dreams to become a successful entrepreneur in future. Akshata Patel, Akshata bagged 6 Kushagra Awards to her credit for exemplary performance in academics and 1 Satatam Award for 100% attendance. Dhruv Kedia, exhibiting excellent writing skill and problem-solving ability, Dhruv wishes to crack the UPSC exam. Aniket Gupta, an active and empathetic student, Aniket had bagged the prestigious Kushagra Award for 7 consecutive years. Varun Agarwal, an active member of the school cricket team, Varun plans to pursue doctorate in the field of pure science. Congratulations all. Let's put our hands together. Varun Pandey, a logical and creative student. Varun is interested in science and wishes to pursue engineering. Bhumil Gohil, a proud recipient of 9 Kushagra Awards, Bhumil wishes to become a successful engineer. Charvi Bhagat, Charvi received the Blue Blazer for consistent exemplary academic record. Tushar Deshpande, passionate about playing keyboard, Tushar wishes to pursue automobile engineering. Leher Bakshi, a participant in various sports events and co-curricular activities, Leher aims to become an electrical engineer. Parth Bharadwaj, Parth bagged the Merit Award in ICA Rubik's Cube competition. He aims to pursue computer engineering. Rahul Nair, a proud recipient of 7 Kushagra Awards, Rahul aims to become a successful software engineer. Rohit Kumar, an ace footballer, Rohit received the prestigious Kushagra and Prabudh Awards for exemplary performance in both academics and sports. Tarushi Garg, Tarushi has a penchant for English language. She aims to help the country progress. Sai Harshal Nandiminti, helpful and kind, Harshal wishes to become a successful mechanical engineer. Revat Nandetkar, an avid reader, Revat is a state-level badminton player and a part of the school basketball team. Ananya Sharma, an expert at penmanship, Ananya aims to become a software engineer. Let's put our hands together for them. Congratulations. Abhishek Manchanwal, a core member of the Code Warrior Math and Quiz Clubs, Abhishek aspires to pursue engineering. Sakshi Raval, a gracious and diligent student, Sakshi plans to pursue her career in mathematics. Pragati Pandey, the recipient of Kushagra and Prabudh Award, Pragati aims to become a successful businesswoman. Shivam Malpani, proud recipient of the prestigious Kushagra Award for Academics and Satatam Award, Shivam aspires to be a successful automobile engineer. Ayan Grover, Ayan has exhibited the art of kickboxing and football. He was declared the best delegate at DPS Aman. Yashas Majumdar, winner of the Summer Innovation Challenge, Yashas was awarded 3rd prize by the Chief Minister of Gujarat. He wishes to become a successful innovator and entrepreneur. Asmita Chaudhary, a passionate photographer, Asmita aspires to score good rank in JEE Advanced. Aranya Chandra, Aranya has won the prestigious Kushagra Award and she aspires to become successful in her chosen area of interest. Manavi Mahajan, passionate about dancing, Manavi dreams to join a renowned management institution. Ishan Sarna, a distinguished achiever of Australian National Chemistry Quiz, Ishan has bagged gold medal for his excellent academic performance. He aims to be a successful engineer. Abhishek Jaina, recipient of Kushagra Award, Abhishek aims to pursue a career in the field of software programming. Congratulations all. Appreciation is the highest form of prayer, for it acknowledges the presence of good. Now may I request Ms. Bijoy Mitra with the citation of class 12th B.
Education is our passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. On this note, I begin with the citation of class 12B. Rishita Sitwala, a sports enthusiast, brought laurels to school in various sports events. She aspires to pursue her career in medicine. Khushi Gupta, a basketball player and a proud recipient of Kushagra Award, aspires to be a clinical psychologist. Vaishnavi Patel, an active member of school tennis and volleyball team, she aims to pursue her career in the field of biotechnology. Virja Shah has shouldered her responsibility as the vice head girl of the school in the year 2017-18. She aspires to become a psychiatrist. Pratik Panchal has won Kushagra Award for 8 consecutive years. He aims to pursue research in the field of pharmacy. Aryan Mehta, a national level swimmer, he has bagged the Kushagra Award for 6 consecutive years and he aspires to become a doctor. Congratulations to all. Braj Bhatt, the captain of the school cricket team, is the recipient of many Kushagra, Satatam and Prabodh awards. He aspires to bring about an innovation in the sports medicine. Parnika Vaidya has backed Kushagra for 8 years. She is a national level skater and aspires to pursue a career in medicine. Jeel Malpani is a proficient dancer and aims to pursue her career as a successful gynecologist. Nasika Yadav, recipient of Kushagra Award for 3 consecutive years, aspires to pursue her career as a psychologist. Jeet Javi has been a part of the school table tennis team. He aspires to become a pharmacist. Ishita Agarwal, a proud recipient of Kushagra Award, aspires to be a neurologist. All the best to all of you. Muskan Prajapati secured the first position in inter-DPS dance competition. She aspires to be a cardiologist. Nisi Ved, a proud recipient of Kushagra Award, she aspires to become a renowned doctor. Prakriti Bhutra, an active member of the Heritage Club, has served as a prefect of Sabarmati House. Dhriti Tripathi, a passionate orator and a creative writer, she aspires to be a surgeon and a professor. Shruti Patel, a member of Social Service Club, she aspires to be a doctor. Dhruvish Patel, disciplined and well-mannered student, aspires to be a neurologist. God bless you all. Yash Kaushik has been a part of the school basketball and handball team. He has won Kushagra Award for 8 years in a row. Smriti Parekh, a proud recipient of Kushagra Award, she aspires to be a psychiatrist. Naki Sheikh, a photographer by passion, was awarded Kushagra and Prabodh Award. He aspires to be a doctor. Shaivi Choksi, a sincere and dedicated student, received Kushagra Award for 6 consecutive years. Her aim is to become a successful doctor. Rini Desai, a proud recipient of Kushagra and Satatam Award, she aspires to become a doctor. Harshika, recipient of Kushagra Award, she aspires to become a doctor. Good luck and good wishes to all. Sakshi Contractor, a sports enthusiast and basketball player, she aims to be a biologist. Ojasvi Negi bagged gold medal in athletics. She aims to be a doctor and serve the society. Mritika Sarkar, a sports enthusiast, won many prizes in athletic events. She aims to pursue her career as a clinical psychologist. Ashlyn Matthew has received Kushagra Award for 3 consecutive years and aspires to become a successful person. Yashodhan Sarogi, a recipient of Kushagra Award consecutively for 3 years, he aspires to practice medicine and provide affordable health care to his patients. Shansi De Silva has a flair for writing and aims to research in neurology. Congratulations to all. Nandini Chugh, a proud recipient of Kushagra Award, she wishes to do medical research in the field of genetic disorders. Srinivas Lango, a gold medalist in NCC National Rifle Shooting Competition, aspires to become an automotive designer. Karan Shah, played as a part of the school football team, desires to pursue a career in medicine. Akanksha Sharma, an international level dancer, She wishes to do research in the field of psychology. Surya Samar, an avid reader, she aspires to become a neurosurgeon. Palak Srivastav, a proficient dancer and basketball player, she aspires to take Bharatanatyam dance to greater heights. Krina Mehta, an ace photographer, she aspires to pursue her career in the field of biotechnology. Good luck and good wishes to all. May I now request Ms. Eram to continue with the citation of class 12D.
Thank you, Ms. Bijoya. We now commence with 12D. Dear students, look forward to what you can do in the future and take the fondest moments you cherished here. Teerth Patel, a proud recipient of Utkrish Satatam for the past 7 years, aspires to be an electrical and communications engineer. Anushka Mehrotra, a professional basketball and badminton player, she wants to be a famous designer. Parth Parikh, he's meticulous and hardworking and aspires to be a chemical engineer. Hitika Dalwadi has won the Prabodh and Kushagra awards and wants to pursue a career in pure sciences. Akansha Khindri, a talented basketball player, she wishes to be a successful freelance writer and a philanthropist. Congratulations to all. Dhruvil Gohil is punctual and obedient and aims to be an interior designer. Ishan Parikh is a Kushagra awardee well known for his innovative ideas. Manav Vakil, an active member of the school cricket and volleyball team, wishes to pursue a future in chemistry. Yesho Viraj Rao is disciplined and he aims to serve the nation by joining the army as an officer. Jap Purohit is an all-rounder and he wants to be an IITian. Kinshuk Banerjee is a brown belt karate player and aspires to contribute in the IT sector. God bless you. Anusha Rawat is skilled at sketching and public speaking and she wants to become a computer engineer. Soumya Thaplyal is a national level basketball player and he wants to be an engineer. Paridhi Talwar is a consistent performer, a Kushagra awardee and her ambition is to become a research scientist. Hema Kanuparti has won the Kushagra and Prabodh awards and wishes to follow her career in aeronautics. Dev Shah is the captain of Tapti House, a state-level football player, and he wants to join the diplomatic services. Saksham Sharma is a passionate national-level basketball player, a pistol shooter, and he wants to join the army. Congratulations. Jai Shri Sharma is sincere and punctual, and she wants to become a civil engineer. Dhruv Jaiswal, a sportsman by heart and wants to become an engineer. Shraddha Tiwari, passionate about singing and sketching and she also wishes to be a computer engineer. Drishti Sati, an active member of the school athletics team, wants to become an IS officer. Aditya Verma, a recipient of bronze medal in the Science Olympiad, aspires for a career as a security analyst. Cherab Mathur, extremely hardworking and sincere, wants to be a software engineer. May we have a round of applause for them. Poojan Desai has won 2 Kushagra awards and he dreams of becoming an electrical engineer. Harsh Raj is a professional table tennis player and hopes to become an investment banker in the future. Adit Kudeshia has bagged Utkish Kushagra and Praveentam awards and he wants to join the Indian Armed Forces. Vedant Tiwari is a national level hockey player and skater and he wishes to become a successful engineer. Congratulations to all of you. Agrim Bharat, the director Agrim Bharat, the director of the Research and Innovation Club, is a state-level basketball player, a guitarist in the school band, and wants to study mechanical engineering. Nishchal Olan is a state-level swimmer and has won several Kushagra awards. He aspires to become a physicist. Neha Desai, extremely diligent and punctilious, she aspires to become a software engineer. Arihant Mittal participated in the state-level Taekwondo championship and he wants to contribute in the field of software development. Aditi Shukla, an active participant in debates, is an avid reader and she also wishes to become a mechanical engineer. Parth Mehta is tenacious and inquisitive and he wants to become a chemical engineer. May we have a round of applause for all our students. I now hand over the mic to Ms. Smita to continue. I stand corrected. I hand over the mic to Ms. Krishna to continue with 12Z.
This graduation day gives our students a sense of achievement and a sense of responsibility towards fulfilling further commitments. Class 12Z. Mohit Jani, optimistic and hardworking, Mohit has a keen desire to study mathematics and computer science in future. Kunjan Shah. Kunjan has bagged Kushagra Award for 6 consecutive years and he aspires to become a research scientist. Dhairya Shah, an ace footballer, Dhairya aspires to become a successful entrepreneur. Ayush Tiwari, a proud recipient of Kushagra Award and Utkrishta Satatam Award, Ayush aspires to become a successful electrical engineer. Gitansh Mehta, an active member of the school football team, Gitansh has bagged Kushagra Award for 5 consecutive years. Khushi Agarwal, a passionate dancer, Khushi aspires to become a successful engineer. Congratulations all. Dwij Mehta. Dwij has brought laurels to school in various competitions. His aim to secure good rank in JEE. Manan Tiwari, a proud recipient of the Kushagra Award, Manan wishes to pursue a career in computer science. Dhruvam Patel, captain of the school volleyball team, Dhruvam desires to master in physics and pursue engineering. Akshit Mahajan, ambitious Akshit has participated in drama at various events in school and has anchored several programs. Namra Shah, recipient of the Best Player title in State Chess Tournament, Namra is part of the school volleyball team. All the best to you students. Aryan Shah, the director of Math Club, Aryan aspires to become a successful engineer. Supal Padmashali, a proud recipient of Kushagra Award, Supal has participated in several competitions. She aspires to become an aerospace engineer. Aditya Trivedi, the director of Code Warriors, IT Club, Aditya has secured AIR 3 in Techlathon. His aim is to major in computer science and become a successful engineer. Yash Thakkar, an ace sportsman, Yash has bagged the prestigious Kushagra and Prabudh Award. He aspires to become a successful engineer. Siddharth Sai Prakash. Siddharth aspires to serve the country by joining the civil services. Suryam Gupta, an active participant of several Olympiads, Suryam aims to become a successful engineer. May all your dreams be true. Yashvardhan Banta, a basketball and volleyball champion, Yashvardhan aims to become a renowned mathematician. Dhanshri Khandelwal, An enthusiastic participant in several co-curricular activities and sports tournaments, Dhanshri aspires to become a successful computer engineer. Sanyam Shah. Sanyam has participated in several Olympiads, art competitions, cubing competitions, voluntary programs, and annual days. Ayush Thakkar, title holder of Black Belt Dan 1, Ayush aspires to become a successful data analyst in the field of statistics. Rahil Shah, Rahil has represented the school in various volleyball and karate championships. He wishes to pursue his masters in business management. Congratulations all and all the best. Saumitra Vatsal. Saumitra has bagged the Kushagra and Utkishta Kushagra award and was declared the best delegate in AY1. He aspires to become a successful engineer. Sashwat Gupta, the recipient of Young Innovator Award, Sashwat has also won the quarter-final tennis tournament. Rashi Prasad. Rashi aspires to become an engineer and also plans to volunteer at an NGO. Prabhat Gairola, a cricketer and recipient of Kushagra Award, Prabhat aims to become a successful engineer. Paulomi Bhattacharya. Paulomi has performed in the Ahmedabad Literature Fest and Inter-School Science Fair. She aspires to take up scientific research in the future and write her biography. Srimoy Basu, recipient of Kushagra Award and first position in pantomime competition, Srimoy was also a winner of maths quiz. Congratulations, dear students. Sakshi Pathak, an active participant in inter-school competition, Sakshi wishes to pursue engineering and lead a successful life. Aditya Darak, an active participant in elocution, extempo, dance, drama and debate competitions, Aditya aspires to pursue a career in economics. Navya Sachdev, a national level basketball player and an efficacious sports captain of the school, Navya is a gold medalist, Kushagra, Pradyut and Prabudh awardee. She aspires to pursue a career in mathematics and statistics. Shantanu Joshi, an ace footballer, Shantanu wishes to secure good rank in JEE. He is passionate about music and enjoys playing piano. Siddharth Mahajan, an important member of the school football and table tennis team, Siddharth aspires to join defense services and serve the nation. Devesh Gobind. Devesh has received Utkrisht Satatam Award with full attendance for 5 consecutive years. He aspires to become a successful engineer. All the best and wish you good luck. Nikarv Shah, dedicated and perfectionist, Nikarv aspires to become a successful engineer from IIT. Isha Singh, recipient of Kushagra Award, Isha aspires to be a successful engineer. Abhaydeep Singh, with a broad vision for creativity and innovation, Abhaydeep aspires to become a successful engineer. Ansh Krishna, passionate about mathematics and a flair for writing poetry, Ansh is a great footballer. Sarthak Asthana, an active participant in several competitions, Sarthak aspires to become a successful engineer. Akriti Tagra, a state-level football player and a gifted orator, Akriti displays a flair for writing. Mausam Chopra, second runner-up at the national level inter-DPS quiz and winner of numerous quiz competition, Mausam wishes to pursue a career in engineering. Good luck. May I now request Ms. Bijoya to continue with the citation of class 12E.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams, and on this note, I begin with the citation of 12E. Jash Mandalia is an ace footballer and a winner of Subrata Cup twice. His wishes to pursue education in finance and wants to become a top businessman. Milind Rathore, a sensitive and an obedient student, he aspires to become an entrepreneur. Ekang Shah, a proud recipient of Kushagra Award and a national level basketball player, he dreams to become a financial consultant. Aditi Mishra has bagged the Kushagra and Pravintam Awards. She wishes to pursue law as a career. Aman Jain is an ace sportsman, district level swimmer, lawn tennis player and an expert in martial arts. Aspires to become a successful CA. A proud recipient of Satatam Award, Shweta Shah aspires to be a chartered accountant. Congratulations to all.
Anushka Bhatia, holder of DPS Kabazigar 2018-19, she aspires to become a chartered financial analyst. Adhya Kansara, winner of DPS Kabazigar and a passionate singer, she aspires to extend her career in finance. Sanya Agarwal, a proud recipient of Prabudh Award, she displays leadership qualities in all the tasks assigned to her. She aspires to become a pastry chef in future. Pooja Parikh is a hardworking and a sincere student who aspires to become a financial analyst. Pranveer Singh, diligent and straightforward, he dreams to pursue a career in business management. Priyanka Bhatia, obedient and hardworking, she aspires to become a financial analyst. All the best to all of you. Dhruvi Ghatani, a member of the literary club, she has bagged silver medal in BIFO exam. Maurya Patel is a member of DPS Literary Club and he supports an NGO outside the campus life. Kavya Upadhyay is a recipient of Satatam Award for maintaining 100% attendance for 5 consecutive years. She aspires to lead a career in management and business field. Drishti Joshi, dedicated and sincere, she aims to become an executive manager. Sanjana Kataria, a sensitive and a thoughtful student who aspires to pursue her career in economics. Ayush Bhavnani, self-motivated and obedient, he aspires to become a successful hotelier. All the best. Tanish Goenka, a tennis champion and winner of DPS Kabazigar 2018-19. He aspires to carve a niche for himself in the society as an eminent businessman. Isha Lodha, a proud recipient of the Pradyut Award and the Kushagra Award for the past 7 years. She aspires to become a successful lawyer. Shavik Goswami, a proud recipient of Prabudh and Utkrish Kushagra for excellent academic performance. He aspires to work with big multinational companies. Rahil Khania, Rahil is an ace footballer, has bagged the Golden Glove Award for Best Goalkeeper. He aspires to become a successful businessman. Aditya, a national level basketball player and a recipient of Prabudh Award, he aspires to shape his career as a financial manager. Anoli Shah is the director of Green Club. She's bagged Prabudh Award for her outstanding performance in badminton. She aims to pursue MBA in finance. God bless you, children. Kabir Singh Chabra is passionate about playing guitar and drums, also enjoys playing basketball, badminton and golf. He desires to be a successful entrepreneur. Rusha Nimawit aims to become a corporate lawyer along with company secretariat and further to complete a course in international arbitration. Tanisha Gupta, a valuable member of school badminton team, she aspires to pursue a career in fashion management. Nave Gupta, A holder of DPS Kabazigar 2018-19, he aspires to be a successful chartered accountant and a company secretary in the future. Ranjana Raghavan. Ranjana, a recipient of Kushagra and Prabudh Award, she aspires to work with big luxury brands and would like to start her own business in the long run. Spandan, sincere and hardworking, he aspires to pursue MBA in future. Good wishes to all. Shubh Agrawal is an ace skater. He aspires to be a successful designer and an entrepreneur. Ishartik Singh, the captain of the school basketball team and the national level basketball player. He aspires to join the armed forces and lead an adventurous life. Ritvik Tong, a proud recipient of Kushagra and Pravintham Award, a district level badminton player and the CEO of the winner team of DPS Kabazigar. He aspires of becoming an actuary. Rahul Krishnani, vivacious and dedicated, he aspires to become a chartered financial analyst. Sanidhya Gadia, a recipient of the Kushagra Award, he aspires to start his own business after completing his MBA in marketing. Dev Mittal, the school's head boy, is an exceptional guitarist, a talented public speaker, and also a footballer. An academic topper and recipient of gold medal in BIFO exam. He aspires to become an investment banker. Dhwani Mulani, a proud recipient of Kushagra Award. She aspires to pursue a bachelor's degree in BBA and MBA from USA. God bless you all, children. May I now request Ms. Bijoya to continue with the citation ceremony for the class 12F.
Thank you, Miss Smita. May you be millennial, rich in love and sincerity, own the wealth of knowledge and insight. And with this blessing, I now begin with the citation of class 12F. Hitarth Barot, a basketball player and a rifle shooter, aspires to become a successful entrepreneur. Jamshed Randeria, a valuable member of the school football team, aspires to become a chartered accountant. Kusum Rajput, a proud recipient of 4 Kushagra and 2 Satatam awards, dreams to become a good human being and help the needy ones. Krish Panjwani, an outspoken and energetic boy, aspires to become a successful entrepreneur. Pratham Maheshwari, an ace photographer, aims to become an automobile designer. Aryaman Gadvi, passionate about football, aspires to become a lawyer. Congratulations to all. Danish Parwani, recipient of Kushagra Award for 8 years and a bronze medal in BIFO. His goal is to become a successful businessman. Akshat Pai, an optimistic and self-motivated boy, he aspires to become a full-time streamer and effectively manage various creative projects. Manush Shah, a state-level volleyball and tennis player, he aspires to pursue a career as a security architect. Siddhi Shah, a very friendly and amicable girl, she aspires to become an entrepreneur. Jimit Shukla, a technology enthusiast, he wishes to work for tech giant like Google and Microsoft. Prisha Telang, the head girl of the school, Prisha has received Kushagra Award for 8 years and aspires to become a marketing director. All the best to all of you. Param Bansal, a logically inclined boy, he aspires to become an entrepreneur. A proficient badminton, Manav Kanabar, an ace photographer, he aspires to become a successful cinematographer. Sania Udarnani, a sports enthusiast and a winner of volleyball and badminton tournaments, she aspires to become in the field of designing. Deep Patel, a volleyball player, he aspires to become a successful entrepreneur. Aryaman Dhabi, a passionate cricketer, he desires to become an ethical hacker. Krushang Shah, a state-level rifle shooter, karate champion, he aspires to become a stock investor. God bless you all. Nidhi Rawal, an active participant of various competitions, she aspires to become a successful entrepreneur. Astha Patel, a budding artist, she aspires to pursue a career as a designer. Siddharth Guleria, an ace athlete, aspires to perform as an international EDM artist. Rida Gadvi, a winner of MS Ahmedabad Juniors and the top 10 finalist in Miss Fab Gujarat 2018, she aspires to become an actress and a supermodel. Vidhi Patel played as a part of the school football team. She aspires to become a chartered accountant. Anishka Gupta, a silver medalist and winner of scholarship from Sports Authority of Gujarat, she aspires to become a company secretary. Good luck and good wishes to all of you. Khushi Gandhi, an active participant in many Olympiads, she aspires to become a chartered financial analyst. Harshita Tulsiani, a lawn tennis player, she wants to pursue MBA. Shreya Shah, an ice skater, she wishes to pursue her career as a fashion designer. Ayushi Gupta, winner at Technofest, she aims to be a good human being. Kavish Sainani played as a part of school football team. He aspires to become a chartered accountant. Rahul Singh, a sincere and hard-working student, he aspires to become a successful chartered accountant. Yashvi Agrawal has received many accolades for essay writing and drawing competitions. She aspires to become a successful person. All the best to all of you. Radhika Rungta enjoys penning down poetry. She would like to pursue her career as a businesswoman. Kaushal Jadhav has represented school in athletic events. He aspires to become an entrepreneur. Ash Solanki, a friendly and fun-loving boy, he aspires to become a successful person. Dhara Gurnani, a participant in international poetry recitation competition, she aspires to be a chef and open her own restaurant. Naman Garawat played as a part of the school football team. He takes his academics seriously and works hard to achieve his goal. Ekta Tambrakar, recipient of the Satatam Award, she aspires to be an entrepreneur and expand her business worldwide. Medha Sharma, an ace footballer and an active manna, she aspires to become a successful person. Congratulations to all of you. May I now request Ms. Smita to continue with the citation for class 12G.
Thank you, Ms. Bijoya. Kavish Arora wishes to become a successful lawyer, a national level football player, the director of Entrepreneur Club, and a recipient of the prestigious Kushagra, Prabodh and Pradyut Awards. Shravan Gugle, the captain of the school football team for past 5 years and a karate champion, aspires a career in the field of business. Shivansh Oja, a sportsman by heart, aims to make his career in hotel management. Mahi Sayed, a sportsman by heart, he aspires to become a successful business entrepreneur. Yashraj Andani, passionate about traveling and photography, dreams of becoming a successful entrepreneur. Hitanshi Patel, an active member of the school choir group, aims to become an explorer and write new stories for the unnoticed heroes of society. All the best, children. Namrata Sajwani, a state-level basketball player. She is the proud recipient of Kushagra Award for 7 consecutive years. She aspires to be a successful designer. Simrat Dhingra, soft-spoken and helpful, aspires to make a niche in the world of fashion. Jatin Bhatia, a sports enthusiast, aims to become a lawyer. Sanjana Desai has bagged the prestigious Utkrish Satatam Award for 5 consecutive years for 100% attendance. Give her a big round of applause. With her creative talents, she aims to excel in the field of designing. Nirant Mehta, an avid reader, he aims to be a psychologist. Vaibhav Agrawal, a national level football player, aspires to become a lawyer. God bless you, children. Riya Das, winner of Fusion Dance Competition, wishes to pursue design and specialize in graphics. Vivek Sheth, a member of school football team, aspires to become a successful businessman. Vedansh Dadlani, a state-level swimmer, dreams to build a career in human resource management. Nimisha Pahuja, awardee of Kushagra Award, Prabhut Award and Satatam Awards for 100% attendance. She performed a folk dance in front of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Gurleen Bagga has won prestigious Kushagra Award and the Satatam for 100% attendance. Akshat Shah has participated in state-level handball, football and cricket tournaments. He aspires to become a successful business tycoon. Divyam Jain, a karate and basketball player, aims to become a successful businessman. God bless you, children. May we have a big round of applause. Kiranshu Bhanushali, a gold medalist in State Powerlifting Championship and aims to pursue career in business. Shlok Mehta, a state-level basketball player and the recipient of 9 Satatam Awards for full attendance. He aims to be a successful businessman. Hitansh Parikh, a recipient of Prabhupada Award for his dynamic performance in football. He aims to pursue business administration. Preet Patel, a wildlife photographer. He's a member of school football and volleyball team. He wishes to become a great businessman. Isha Momaya, vibrant and confident, has taken part in various dance competitions and she was also a part of the school basketball team. Utkarsh Anand, a football champion, he aspires to become a successful sports person. Congratulations to all. Aman Agarwal, a recipient of Kushagra Award, he has represented the school team in handball and volleyball. Mihir Dalania, a basketball player, aims to establish a globally recognized business firm and then join politics too. Sadhya Nath, an ace footballer, aims to become a successful lawyer. Janam Shah is a soft-spoken student who wants to pursue MBA and become successful in life. Vistirna Acharya, a member of the school choir group, aims to pursue a career in the field of art. Garima Beniwal, a member of school volleyball team, aspires to be an IAS officer. Divyansh Ramchandani, a member of the school volleyball and cricket team, aims to be an interior designer. Yukta Kapoor, a good dancer and a good orator,
She aims to be a psychologist and a social worker. Yashvi Narialwala has an ambition to explore the world of designing and art. Drashti Anam, she's received Prabodh Award for her contribution as an important member of school football team. Mahika Sharma has successfully participated in athletics, Green Olympiad and DPS Kabazigar. She aims to be a lawyer. Anshita Agarwal, a core member of the cultural club, aspires to become a lawyer. Congratulations to all. Lanya Kumar, passionate about painting, she wishes to become a fashion designer and open her own boutique. Ankit Singh, a member of the school cricket team and a recipient of the prestigious Kushagra Award, aims to pursue MBA. Dhruv Mulani, he has received the prestigious Kushagra Award for excelling in academics. Kanisha Shah, an active member of Heritage Club, has represented the school at SPIC-MACAY International Convention 2017 held at Bangalore. Niloy Ghosh, an active member of the Quiz Club, aspires to become a successful lawyer. Ayushi Agrahari, her goal is to become a civil servant and contribute towards social welfare. God bless you, children. May I now request Ms. Iram to continue with the citation ceremony for Class 12H.
Dear students, we bless you to uphold the school motto of service before self. With these heartfelt wishes, I begin the citation for Class 12H. Naitik Patel, a state-level football player, wants to major in business administration. Nama Shah, an active participant in various co-curricular activities, has a passion for different languages. Aryan Kalpavriksha, a passionate dancer, wishes to study psychology and travel journalism. Shalini Machar, the director of the Social Service Club, aims to take up a career in mass communication. Man Soni is a skilled debater, an avid reader, a basketball enthusiast, and also wants to become a successful novelist. Nilark Mukherjee, an active participant at the SARC Summit, aims to become a journalist. Good luck and best wishes. Adit Sheth, a good leader, an avid debater with excellent management skills, has been awarded the Trinity Guildhall Award. Simone Modi, hardworking and determined, wants to become a psychologist. Rajvi Rana is compassionate and has volunteered for various tasks at Blind People's Association. She wants to be a psychologist. Anushka Bhavanani, a recipient of 6 Kushagra Awards, Anushka wants to become a successful fashion journalist. Soumya Patel has received the Kushagra, Prabodh and Satatam Awards and wants to follow fashion designing. Vasvi Agarwal is the director of the Fine Arts Club and a recipient of 8 Kushagra and Praveentam Awards. She dreams of becoming a successful lawyer. Congratulations to all of you. Ritika Bhattacharjee is the director of the Literary Club and wants to get into the world of journalism. Sakshi John is an active athlete and a member of the school volleyball team, and she wants to become a criminal psychologist. Varalika Tangar is a member of the school football and basketball team and wants to follow human resource management. Jay Tandon, a national level lawn tennis player, aspires to release his own music album. Shambhavi Jory, an expert photographer, aspires to acquire a degree in law. Sunidhi Sharma has contributed in ecological conservation programs and aspires to become a clinical psychologist. Please put your hands together for them. Ayushi Agarwal is a skilled photographer and she wants to work for the National Geographic. Mahatapa Bhattacharya, a dance enthusiast, a budding poet, and she wants to study English literature. Ashna Naidu, empathetic and optimistic, wants to become a successful psychologist. Aditya Majithia has bagged the Kushagra and Utkish Kushagra award and he wants to study psychology. Siddhi Jangade has a creative mind and he wants to become a product designer. Mansi Rohela, brimming with artistic skills, she wants to become a successful designer. Congratulations to all of you. Surabhi Menon is the director of the Quiz Club. She has a keen interest. Surabhi Menon is the director of the Quiz Club and has a keen interest in international and developmental economics. Ankit Srivastav participated in the SARC Summit and is a civil services aspirant. Akansha Shendage, an active participant in many co-curricular activities, aims to become a psychologist. Ishrat Pabla, a Kushagra awardee, a state-level basketball player, wishes to study psychology. V.S. Meera, extremely passionate about art and design, wants to become a successful fashion designer. Rahul Singh, an enthusiastic participant at the Youth Parliament and SARC Summit, wants to become a corporate lawyer. Good luck to all of you. Siddhant Mukherjee, a recipient of 2 Kushagra Awards, aims to complete his Masters in Political Science and International Relations. Nandini Chawla has participated in the Youth Parliament and wants to take up a future in mass communication and journalism. Swagat Swami, a state-level athlete, a basketball player, a passionate theatre artist, was a part of Gandhi at 150 web series. She wants to pursue a future in mass communication. Janak Patel, a Kushagra awardee, wishes to convert his love for history into a successful career. Karina Rodriguez, an active participant in various cultural programs, wants to become a successful singer and a creative designer. Divya Sukhlani is the director of the MUN Club, captain of the school football team, and has an ingrained inclination for media and communications. Sejal Shingote, an avid debater and singer, a skilled anchor, wants to study political science in college. God bless all of you. Yashaswini Nand is the director of the Photography Club. Her interest in human behavior and personality has prompted her to study psychology. Mansi Patel, a state-level basketball player, wants to become a psychologist and spread awareness regarding mental health. Vamika Vedi, a proud recipient of the Kushagra Award, wishes to join Tata Institute of Social Science. Harshita Agarwal is a basketball player and wants to pursue a career in design. Sai Gitanjali Poluru is the director of Heritage Club and a very talented singer. She wants to pursue her career in design. Anishka Singh, the director of the Cultural Club, has myriad interests in political science, performing arts and English. And finally, Priya Garg has participated in the SARC Summit Inter-DPS basketball tournament and she aspires to become an IAS officer. Many congratulations to all of you and God bless. I now hand over the mic to Ms. Smita.
Thank you, sir. At the memorable end to this event, I welcome the in-charge Senior Secretary, Ms. Uma Maheshwari, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Graduation Day is a much revered ritual in all educational institutions. It is the beginning of a journey towards self-discovery as you unravel into the new world. Good evening, one and all present here. I deem it as a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. First and foremost, I thank all the parents for their able guidance and support that has always encouraged our students throughout this journey. I thank you for being here today to be a part of our celebration. I thank our principal, Mr. Surendra P. Sachdeva, for his stewardship, support, vision, and commitment. I thank all the other dignitaries for their unstinted support for this function. My heartfelt thanks to all the teachers for their valuable contribution to make this program a grand success. I express my gratitude to those who have supported in practical ways behind the scenes, from the administration staff to the tireless support staff. I owe a special gratitude to all who have worked hard to ensure that this occasion becomes a memorable one for all our students. Finally, my good wishes to the outgoing batch of 2018-19. Today is a milestone. It tells you how far you have come. Keep learning, keep accomplishing, and keep venturing on through your journey. Congratulations. Once again, thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, we now request you to stand to join us in a heartfelt prayer for the outgoing batch of 2018-19. Dear God, we pray for our graduates today. We thank you so much for these we love and for the work you are continuing to do in their lives. They are a gift to us and to many others. And during this season of new beginnings, we ask that you would make their way clear. We ask that you would keep their footsteps firm and remind them that you are with them always. May they sense the freshness of your spirit over their lives in amazing ways. May they be strengthened, instilled with hope for the new roads you have in store. And today, again, we release our children straight into your tender care, because we know that's the best place they could ever be. We thank you in advance for all you have in store for this day, for this year, for their lives. Amen. Thank you, everyone. Please be seated.
I thank all the parents for attending the citation ceremony and making it momentous for our students. And students, Wishing each one of you good luck in the forthcoming board exams. Thank you and God bless you. We'll proceed for dinner after the national anthem. May I now request everyone to please stand for the national anthem. Thank you. All the students, it's a request, please be with your class teacher. Students, please be with your class teacher.